Hello everyone, I am Narasimhan, a solution engineer at Nutrient. You know how nutrients are essential for your healthy living. Similarly, we at Nutrient deliver solutions for healthier and smarter document management for every organization. At Nutrient, we don't just build features to show off. We build products that solve real problems. We deliver friendly SDKs, low-code cloud services, and complete workflow automation platforms. Today, I want to show you something that will transform how insurance industries handle claims processings. We are going to dive into a real-world example or a scenario that affects millions of policyholders and see how Nutrient can turn a frustrating manual process into a seamless digital experience. So we'll see the real world scenario, understand it, and actual workflow transformations, and a live demonstration. How this will transform a stress from and friction to a seamless digital experience. Okay, let us talk about the problem. Let's start with the why, the core problem that keeps insurance executives awake at night. Customer experience is the key differentiator in insurance, especially during claims. The moment of truth for every policyholder, but here's the reality. The claim process is drowning in administrative friction. Claims associates spend approximately 60 to 70% of their day on low value tasks, manually keeping customers and incidents data into endless forms. First notice of loss, proof of loss statements, repair authorization, settlement agreements, the list goes on. This creates a dual threat. So internally, it's a productive drain, data entry errors, process delays, employee gets frustrated. Like externally, it is very slow. It creates frustration in the customers. It can customer experiences, brand reputation, competitive disadvantages. It goes on. Let us imagine like a usual traditional claim process. Like the customer calls in, manual form preparations, the agent prepares the forms for them and emails them or attaches to the portal. The user has to print the documents, fill the form, sign it, scan it, and re-upload or send via email. This is a like general process. This results customer dissatisfaction scores in claims processing remains consistently low across the industry, directly impacting retention and brand reputation. Okay, let us consider create a story or set up a story. Let me introduce you to two people whose story will illustrate this perfectly. Meet David, a claims associate who is working in the front line of XYZ insurance company. David's job is to help policyholder right after they have an accident. He is dedicated, he cares about customers, but he is trapped in an inefficient system. And Maria, a policyholder who called to report a car accident, she's dealing with stress of the incident, potentially injured, and now to navigate the claims process. Here's what typically happens. Maria calls in the first notice of loss. David logs the initial details into their claims management system and knows he needs to get the initial claim packets to Maria for completion and signature. Now their company has a customer portal, but it's like kind of basic. It shows policy details, billing history, payment methods. For claims documents, the process still completely remains manual. Now, David has to manually prepare PDFs, upload them to the portal like a kind of static files, then send Maria a generic email, new documents uploaded, please log in, download, print, sign, and reload upload. What happens to the Maria's experience? Like it is totally disjoint, requires offline steps, far from the seamless digital journey she expected from every other service in her life. How the this is exactly where Nutrient SDK transforms the entire experience. Instead of this broken manual workflow, we are going to create a seamless digital first process that works within the insurance company's existing portal. Here, what we are going to demonstrate an instant document generation from templates using customer data, embedded interactive document experience within the existing portal, pre-filled forms with data from the claims management system, electronic signature capture without leaving the portal, and real-time submission back to the claim system. The key differentiator here is everything happens within the trusted, authenticated environment the customer already knows, like its customer portal. Now let us go into the live demo. I have created a simple dashboard like a login portal with uh, agent login and a customer login, like agent portal and the customer portal. Let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to walk you through the scenario, but this time it is powered by Nutrient SDK, not the manual process. Now, agent's experience. First, let's see David's experience when Maria calls to report her accident. Now, David logs into the portal. David logs into the claims system and pulls Maria's profile. Okay, now he's able to see all the Maria's details. Now, all her policy informations like contact details, vehicle information is right in front of him. Instead of manually creating the PDFs, now David simply clicks on the generate and publish form. Now see, this is creating the PDF documents, pulling the data from the CMS. Now from the document templates, all the data is populated from the CMS and creates a personalized forms, and it is generated and sent. And with just one click, these documents are securely available in Maria's customer portal. David work is done. No need to do anything. Now let us log in the customer on a customer portal as a customer. Now let us see Maria's experience. She receives a notification. Your claim documents are ready for review within few minutes of the conversation. She logs into the portal and now she sees the complete documents. Means documents have been already generated and now she has to complete the documents. No confusions because it's company portal, no new logins, no new accounts. Just log in with her existing credentials and right on her dashboard, only the action required is to complete the document, which is the claims form. She clicks on here. Here, the magic, the entire document experience is powered by Nutrient Web SDK, embedded directly in the portal. She doesn't leave the company portal at all. All her details, her name, address, policy number, all are pre-filled. She doesn't have to search for her policy or retype anything. She only needs to complete the accident specific fields like description of the accident, fill here, and if there is any witness name, and his contact number, and the date she is filling it, and she does the signature, either with the pen or she can upload an image or she can even type in her name. Since this is a trusted portal, the authenticity is like she she is herself. It's already authenticated. So nobody else can log in with her details. That's it. Simple. The interface is so intuitive with helpful prompts and validations. If you want, we can give an options to upload the photos and other stuff. So whatever pictures she has taken from her phone on the accident spot, she can upload them and we can attach to this document or we can create a new document. Now for the signature we have done, no printing, no scanning, just a simple electronic signature right here. Everything is filled. Now when she clicks on submit button, this directly sends a notification to the David, and David can just process it and send it to the claims department. Just validate it, send it to the claims department. The process has been like so simplified. Now let us understand the value. Sorry. Mhm. Yeah. Now let us understand what is the value we created here. How it got transformed. We just witnessed. For David, it's approximately saved like 30 minutes of preparation time in just 30 seconds. Zero data entry errors, immediate notification when documents are complete. More time for high value customer interactions. So how was Maria's experience here? She had hassle free, like approximately 60 plus minutes she saved. Go like no downloading, no printing, no scanning, or no sending emails or uploads, nothing. She logged into a secure professional portal with a professional experience within the trusted portal. She trusts that portal because it's companies. Pre-filled data eliminates errors and saves time. Real-time progress tracking. What is the benefit of this or business impact? So faster claiming process, improved customer experience, customer satisfaction, reduced operational costs, better data accuracy and compliance, competitive edge or advantage. So these are all measurable improvements in efficiency and experiences. Let's see how the scalability, the scaling, how this scales the solution. What we just demonstrated with one form scales to an entire claim workflow. We can create multiple documents, complex approval chains, different claim types, all powered by the same Nutrient SDK architecture. This works for auto claims, property claims, health claims, any scenario where documents need to be generated, completed, and processed within in the customer within the portal, within your application, without leaving the application. Now, what is like to recap? We just use Nutrient SDK, Web SDK to transform a standard customer portal into a fully interactive document workflow platform. We eliminated manual process, removed frictions from the customer experience, and create a real-time integration between customer interaction and claims processing. This isn't just what making things digital. It's about creating experience that turns moment of stress into demonstrations of your company's competence and care. Ready to see how this works in your environment. Just visit our Nutrient website for our developer first documentation. You can reach out directly to us at sales@nutrient.io or fill a form in the nutrient.io website. We can definitely discuss your specific document workflow challenges and show you how Nutrient can solve them. The future of claims is digital, seamless, and customer centric. Let's build it together. Thank you.